Cody, and I'm here at Schiffler Park, one of my pride and joys of working and volunteering with the Park District. This park has been long on the dream that we can do great things for our patrons here in the Park District. As part of the 2008 bond project, which I served on the task force that has changed this park to something that everybody is so proud of. The neighbors love it, the community loves it. There's something here for everybody within our Park District. Over here we have young, athletic, young men doing everything they can instead of sitting at home surfing on the couch with their games. We have parents walking strollers throughout the park, looking, talking with each other, enjoying the park. We have basketball, we have young children, we have senior citizens. This park has a nature area with our wetlands. If you look out right now, we'll be able to see baby ducks and geese. You'll be able to, late at night, hear the amphibians croaking away. These are the type of amenities, a people park for great experiences that I will bring as a THPRD board member. We will see cattails and rushes growing up through here, and it'll really help create the wild birds, wetland wild bird area habitat.
Come on, man. Don't let them write you around like that.